If you want to record a screen on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, what you can do is you can go to the control center or quick settings over here, and then here we should be able to find the screen recorder. In my case, it is over here in this place, so it's like a dot with another circle around it, almost a circle, I guess. And if you tap on it, then you can, of course, customize it a little bit before you start recording. So you can, for example, toggle the camera, you can show touch points, you can choose what audio you want to record, and if you want to record the whole screen or just a particular app. Then we can tap on the record button, we have a quick countdown, and then we are recording our screen. We can tap on this arrow to reveal all available options, where we can, for example, enable a pen, so you can draw something on the screen in case you want to highlight something. We can also manage the audio while recording, and you can also activate the front camera or hide it again. You can also use the pause button if you want to pause the recording for now, and then of course you should be able to resume it. And if you want to completely stop the recording, you can use the red square over here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.